dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
This is dinner. This is pork shoulder. I seasoned it with this adobo. I love that stuff. And then this is some broccoli and cauliflower that I steamed. I added about 2 tablespoons of butter and about maybe 3 ounces of cream cheese, and then about half a cup, maybe a cup of mozzarella cheese. It is so freaking good. I'm drinking my Zevia tea, and while I was cooking, I was playing in my stickers. So I'm gonna eat, and I'm gonna close out the vlog because then I gotta edit and I gotta go to bed tonight because I work in the morning. Have a good Friday, guys. Okay, I don't want to rip this because it has her address and I'd like to be able to send her something. Oh my god, what a cute bag. Holy cow, she really stuffed it. This bag is so cute. What does it say? Make your mark. How cute is this bag? I like it. I'm actually gonna keep on myself. Oh my god, look at it. Woo, I'm in heaven. I am in heaven. I can't wait to just sit here and play. Oh my god, look at rolls of stickers. Rolls. Like blank, like note papers. Priority. Oh my god, like little checklists. Ooh. Little. If you're into Link Get Down, you must have an animal that he smells. Oh my god, how cute. How cute are these little sticker books? This is like a coffee one. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Like different drinks. This is like Christmas. Yes, this is Christmas. This is Christmas. Holy cow. Yes, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Look at all the stickers. Oh, these are so pretty. I'm so happy. I cannot freaking wait. Oh, to-do list. Important. Reschedule. Movies, haircut. I love it. Here's another. Ooh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I sound so silly, but I'm serious. This is so exciting to me. All these sticker packs. All the things. Daily schedules. She said that she used to use these for her YouTube. This is exactly what I'm going to do with it. I actually already have these, but this is awesome because I do use these. Checklist. Some more. Another big sticker. A budget. Oh my god, yes. Budget one. Look at this. This is what I bought at the insert. Those go with that. Another sticker book. This one is like little TVs, like what do you call this one? TV, honey-do list, chore list, etc., etc. Ooh, these ones are cute. Are these magnets? They are. Little magnet ones to go in there. That is a super cute paper clip. Some washi tape. Thank you so much, Jess. This is so sweet of you. I don't know what those are. Those stickers? Not sure what those ones are. And then all the washi tape in the world. How freaking cute. Ooh, pumpkins. I love it. I love the fall. Ooh, spiders. These are so cool. I am so into this. Super into it. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. I'm so excited to put this all to use in my Happy Planner that I have been using. I've been using it every day. I've been budgeting and I've been keeping track of the days and my YouTube schedule and just everything in here so I can make sure that I'm staying on track. This is so amazing and I can't wait to start using it. I've been looking forward to this ever since you told me that you were going to send this. So thank you so, so much. It's made its arrival at a perfect time to help me just get my mind off stuff. Maybe Tiffany can help me do some of it. I'm sure she would like to do that. And she can maybe decorate in hers. She doesn't have a Happy Planner, but she's got like a little spiral notebook that maybe she can decorate in. And I think it's gonna be fun. So thank you so much, Jess, because it really meant a lot to get something like that today. Hey guys, I have my actual camera today. Welcome back to my channel. Well, I sit here and get my grocery list ready for the week and enjoy my Bones Bananas Foster coffee. I've made a jalapeno popper chaffle. I don't know what I did. I mean, I know what I did. I took a jalapeno, I cut it in half, I filled it with cream cheese, and then I made my chaffle with cheddar cheese and I let it really cook in there. I already ate one. It is amazing. I just put the jalapeno right on top of the egg mixture and sprinkled a little cheese on it, and that was it. And it is really good. The cream cheese is still like holding on with the jalapeno. It's delicious. All right, so in my weekly meal plan this week, Monday we're gonna have the broccoli sausage bake. Tuesday, pizza chicken. Wednesday, leftovers because we'll have plenty from the first 2 days. Thursday, Italian sausage bake. Friday, sloppy joes. And I'm using this as this week. So today we're doing the kids cook keto and we're going to be doing the keto chicken quesadilla. And then Sunday we're just going to be having probably leftovers of this or just whatever's in our fridge that we need to hurry up and eat up before the new week. So I've got my grocery list set up here, some fruit, and then all the things that we need. I want to also try to make a blueberry cheesecake, so I have some of that stuff in. We'll see if I get to that. But yeah, that's the meal plan this week. I also decorated next week's little thing here, looking all beautiful. I like this little sticker thing here. You don't want to see the pages before, they're hideous. So we're starting fresh, we're looking beautiful. I have my thing here. I kind of did this page here, but not really. So I'm excited. Let's get it done. Yes. Hi guys. So I have my list and we're headed to the store. I'm going to try to find the best deals possible. I may not even get everything on my list just because money is a little short this week with me missing 2 days last week, and I need to pay a couple of bills. So I'm just going to get, I'm not going to get like the cake stuff or whatever for that pie, and I don't need any like meat really, and maybe I'll get like a thing of eggs, but other than that I'm just gonna get the necessities, I think, off of my list now that I think about it. So we're going to go to Aldi first, and then I think we're gonna go to Meijer or Walmart. Probably, I don't know which one. Probably Walmart, I think. We're gonna do Walmart this week. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but we'll see. He's looking for leftovers, but there's nothing there. Linky, the people want to see you, puppy. They ask about you when you're not in a video. They ask about you, buddy. Do you show them your nice new bandana that Aldi had for 99 cents? It's so cute. He's so cute, Linky. They also had these little rugs. Oh, hi, Baba Girl. She doesn't like them. Oh, come on now. These little rugs for $2.99, bone-shaped ones and regular ones. I know it looks silly right there like that, but I like the bone one. And there's a boo-boo. Hi, Dexter. Hi, everybody's here. Get out of his butt. Put your butt down. Oh, see? He doesn't like it. Don't get in his butt. You don't get in his butt. What you doing? Everybody's saying hi. What? Can you speak? Speak. Speak. I didn't hear you. Speak. Speak loud. Howl. 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 He's so cute. Can you howl loud? Ooh. You howl louder? Ooh. Howl. Why are you howling so quiet? You're so funny. You funny? Howl. I love you, Linky. You're so cute. You're so precious. Hey guys, this is a really quick little video that's gonna go into the vlog that is picking the winner of the Keto Chow video. So I need to get the URL for the Keto Chow video. Doing that right now. Where you be? Where you be?
Haha, you're gonna have to edit me out.
No, I'll just leave you in. Copy to clipboard.
No, I was gonna do something.
And open the YouTube giveaway. Paste. Take video for giveaway.
Cactus.
Add video for giveaway.
Cactus.
Yes, put the cactus down.
Cactus.
All right.
Weird.
Here we go. You can see. Say up here. Number of winners. 1. And start giveaway. The winner is CTRSI. Congratulations, you won the Keto Chow giveaway. Please be in contact with me within 24 hours of me posting on my community board. I will reply to your comment and let you know that you won. And this will also be in Sunday's vlog. Congratulations.